In this tutorial, we'll look at the new integration between Pack and RailClone. This feature allows any segment in a RailClone style to be exported as a distribution source for Pack, making it possible to place Pack geometry directly onto RailClone generated items. To demonstrate the feature, we'll start with a simple example, placing people generated by Pack onto chairs distributed by RailClone. In this scene, I already have a simple chair style created with RailClone. If I open the style editor, you'll see there are two seat segments. An open seat where people can sit, and a closed seat which should remain empty. In this example, we only want Pack to use the open seat as a distribution source, so to do that we'll need to export the RailClone segment. Select the segment you want to export and open its general settings. At the bottom of the rollout, find and enable the Export to Pack option. That segment is now available as a distribution source for Pack. You don't actually have to export segments individually like this. For example, if several segments are passing through a randomize operator and you want all of them to become available in Pack, you can add a transform node after the operator instead. The transform node also includes an Export to Pack option. So now let's look at the Pack side. In this scene, I've already added several seated people to the geometry list of a Pack object. Next, open the distribution rollout and change the distribution mode to reference. In the reference object section, click the Add button, select the RailClone object we just modified, and enable Use RailClone items. As soon as you do this, Pack will place a random object from the geometry list onto every exported RailClone segment. And that's all there is to the basic workflow. Using RailClone segments as Pack distribution sources makes it easier to combine the strength of both plugins. In the next tutorial, we'll look at how to match specific Pack items to individual RailClone segments and use Pack features such as lookat constraints.